Hi, my name is Keela Chimovich with Terry Kubek over here, and we're just talking about a few things today. Advantage Express Flex. I was reading about this.
Yes.
What can you tell me?
Well, if you have a business owner who owns their own business and they don't fit the Fannie Freddie mold, then we have other products for those now. We can do bank statement loans, either 12 months or 24 months. So if they have a cash flow, but they have a really good accountant, they're not going to pay the IRS that much. They're going to hide it or come up with other ways to use up that money so they don't have to pay taxes on it. Well, they may have a great cash flow. So if you have a bank statement loan, you're going to use the business cash, and then we're going to do the loan based on their bank statements. Also, if you're dealing with the agencies, you can get a 1-year tax return if you own your own company, but you have to have owned it for 5 years. So now we have a product for a 1-year tax return if they've owned their company for 2 years. So some people had, really great business. During COVID, it got really bad, and now they had a great last year. Well, they would benefit from a 1-year tax return. If they haven't owned their business the 5 years, we have an alternative. They have to have only owned it for 2.
One thing that stood out to me in reading your flyer today, despite everything you just mentioned, there's a maximum 55% debt to income ratio if you have to at least a 720 credit score, but
right, that's an expanded product. So you would have documentation like your regular loans, but it lets you go up to a higher DTI, and it's a manual underwrite. We don't run those through AUS. So those loans that maybe won't go AUS just because of the debt ratio, but as a great borrower, we can do those ones too.
All right.
Yes, and those go from 150,000 to 3 million.
Oh.
So we can cover a wide range of borrowers and help them get into homes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.